Ano pagugo?
Dali ba? Wala ginit.
Kaya mo papili lang.
Salad! Salad lang!
Okay, sige na naman. Inito na lang.
Dali lang.
Painitin nyo? Init pa na.
Ilang ka ba?
Ay, fire ba na?
Kala lang yung makakawin yung Lechon Manok. Pwede, pero malipyo mo.
Ay, pa-deliver na mo sa asa nga ihang. Dapit. Pila, anong serving po? Isang serve. Ay, dalawang serve. Dalawang serve daw. So, sa isang serving chicken, isang ka rice. Okay. 3 daw ka serve. Chicken, isang ka rice. Chicken, isang ka rice.
Sama ba? Isa ka rice, dalawa ka chicken.
Pero ito,
Hindi mo dyan matulog, kaya na lang mo magbayad.
isa ba sa kwan?
Bagyo man, bawa siya ka ng one of the... Isa na... Compensation? Ano ba?
Complimentary offer.
Hada.
Ano in case of emergency pa?
Ah, ba yan?
Tubig.
Yeah, dalawa.
Sabi soft
Tubig
drinks.
ayon nga mineral duha.
Tulong mo ka-serve lang?
Tulog kasi.
Ano ba ito diha? Apol.
Kaso,
Wala na.
okay, tapi kung dito mo ka nangikit pa Jud, pwede mo
Sa
na
dito
din.
lang.
Ay, din yung
Magsaba na lang sila kung luto na, di nila nung kawawan. Ano si Mayo, kasi dito ko, kita ko sa pan. Di mo
Pwede
kang
naman
taon
mag-start lang.
okay, sa inyo kawawan mo ka lang ikot yan. Hindi mo linya, sure ko na ulanan. Oo, taon mo lang gawas.
I-bring na itong baby na.
Hindi na lang mo nga makawawan, hindi mo makawawan, kalanda na dito.
Ay mo na lang.
Nabay iring nga sa sign kayo sa meeting.
Serenade at our...
Ang sarap ng sile.
Kasal mo ka? Gani mo?
Kanon.
Hello! Hindi mo dita. Shoutout sa inyo sa atang ano karon. Nadagan pagkakapang nga mapupukong. Kaya nagulog dito kayo. Doon na kayo pumila. Ha? Ingat and God bless.
Thank you. Araw-gabi. Bakit di ko malingap, ngunit ang kahapon ay nagdaan.
Anong song? Song naman yun. Sige, 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 song. Ito yung music song. Sige, singer yun. Pagkatana lang ko rin, magpapagod ko mga kanta. Fall for you. Because I messed up. Huh? To the fire. Listen!
Toriccio.
Second hand serenade.
Titanic.
This is not tonight that we're not fighting. Couldn't be a been this way before. I know you don't think that I am trying. I know you haven't denied to the door. But hold your breath, because tonight
Oo. Sabay ka na. Kain ka ulit.
Wala sa diet.
Walang dahil sa buntis. Diba? Pero hinay-hinay lang. Bawal mataba. Bawal ka magpataba. Ilang months na? Ha? Bago lang.
This is not right I always want you, I never fall apart. And you always thought that I was stronger. May have been, but I have loved you from the start. Oh, but hold you breath, because tonight will be the night that I will fall for you. Don't make me change my mind. For I will need to see another day. I swear it's you, because a boy like you is impossible to find. It's impossible to breathe so deep. Breathing, I'm yours to keep. Hold to your words, stop the street. But remember me tonight when you're asleep. Because tonight will be the night that I will fall for you over again. Don't make me change my mind, for I won't need to see another day. I swear it's true, because a girl like you is impossible to find. Tonight, the night that I will fall for you over again. Don't make me change my mind, for I would need to see another day. I swear it's true, because a boy like you is impossible to find. It's impossible to find. Yang wak sulit. Thank you so much.
Hi, Mama Daisy. Hi, Chin Chan Song. Arigatou Go Zaimas.
Mayo. Mayo yan.
I feel
La
Sarah.
la la la. A little conversation turning into little sweet sensations, and they're only getting sweeter every time. Our friendly get together, turning into visions of forever. If I just believe this foolish heart of mine, I can't pretend that I'm just afraid. And I'm thinking maybe we were meant to be. I think I'm falling in love with you. And I don't know what to do. I'm afraid you burn away, but I say it anyway. Madam, okay na madam, pinapon ni hapon. Luto na.
Sila gani?
Sir, madam. I'm falling. Whenever we're together, I'm wishing that goodbyes would turn to never. 'Cause with you is where I always want you.
Hi, guys. Mana.
Whenever I'm beside you, all I really wanted to is hold you. No one else but you has meant this much to me. I can't pretend that I'm just afraid, and I'm thinking maybe we were meant to be. I bet think I'm falling in love with you. And I don't know what to do. I'm afraid you'll turn away, but I say it anyway. I think I'm falling in love with you. And I don't know what to do. I'm afraid to turn away, but I say it anyway. I think I'm falling for you. I'm falling for you.
Fallen daw.
I think I'm falling for you. I'm falling for you.
Wala na dia.
Alam. Nakabuli points.
Sino gusto?
To the party.
Sino pasito nakapago pasito.
Ay.
Kaya ikanta din.
Gabi kayo magsuwa.
Pagpukan pag.
Makuha na siya.
Gusto ko na bumitaw.
Bumitaw. Parang gusto ko rin gumawa ng kanta na kuha kapit pa rin.
Mga bago, di ba? Ano ba mga bago?
Kanta mo ka dahil?
What night
Ano nga?
Shy!
Baka Adele ba? Adele.
What kind of fool I am?
Nangwiwayang.
Adele.
Uy, kakanta mo gusto siya eh. Tapi na ba sa kasakyan?
190.
Thanks so much for coming in the first and final set. And I would like to say thank you to everybody who came and dropped by. Thank you so much sa lahat ng mga nag-dinner. Sa lahat ng mga nanonood ngayon, setting stars, I hope you give Gcash to them. And this song is dedicated to my
Hati
child.
natin Jane Hekin. Good evening. Shoutout Bohol Girl and Bohol Boy. Bing Girl Travels.
Everybody loves the things you do. From the way you talk to the way you move.
Kakain na daw siya. Gutom na siya.
Everybody here is watching you.
Hi Mars Clea. Marie Lazada.
You're like a dream from the truth.
Anong size?
Boy, what
kayo.
you do?
Duwaran ka tilang.
Kamay na kain, wala ka tila.
Can I have seven by myself all night long, knowing you someone you love like a soul. My God, it reminds me wherever we are. And if photograph you in this lying place, it is the last time that we might be exactly like we were before we realized we were sad to get it on. It made me restless. It was just like a movie. It was just like a song. I was so scared to face my fears.
with nobody told me that you'd be here. Nice work you overseas. It's what you said when you left me. You look like a movie, still sound like a song. My God, it reminds me where we were young.
You're in this night.
The last time that we might be something that we were before we realized we were starting getting on. It made me restless. It was just like a movie.
It was just like a song. When we were young. When we were young.
When we were young, when we were young, it's hard to admit that everything just takes me back to when you were there, to when you were there. In a part of me is holding on, just in case it hasn't gone. I just don't care. Do you still care? Just take a minute. It was just like a song. My God, it reminds me very long. When we photograph you in this lonely place, it is the last time. When we photograph you in this lonely place, it is the last time that we might be something that we were. It made me so mad and all. It made me reckless. It was just like a movie.
It was just like a song.
When we were young.
Yeah.
At ako!
Wala si Aman. Ako po. So guys, Argel, lipat kayo doon.
Mabuti na mawala.
Bye-bye! Despedida party,
Hawak
Brenda.
ang kapalaran. Nagbabaka sakaling na lang.
Ligo ko'y. Elis ko'y.